Alright, so this video is just kind of an intermediary kind of video covering some things I'm doing while I'm doing this E153 swap. It's not necessarily part of the E153 swap, but I don't want to release like a whole video separate from it or whatever. So anyways, finished up the wiring harness, got that mostly done. So yeah, I got new connectors, or I got the quick connects in for the wiring harness. That's all pinned. Got the engine side done wherever the connectors are. So that's done. Harness is pretty clean looking. I'll get more of that later. The inside's still a mess. I still need to do the inside wiring, get everything, but that's here nor there. So basically what I really want, I want to hit the milestone of getting the engine back inside the vehicle. So that's coming up here soon. But before I do that, I want to go ahead, I want to put these cams in while the engine's out, because it'll just be that much easier. These are BP4W cams. They're the 99 Miata, or 99 plus Miata. So they're like the best OEM cams you can get. I've got some cam gears on the way, but for now I'm just going to use the factory cam gears. Yeah, so I'm going to get those in. I'm thinking about dropping the oil pan off the engine and just taking a look while it's out of the car. It would be the wise thing to do. But I really don't want to, so I don't know. Still in the air about that. But for now, I'm going to get these cams cleaned up, get the valve cover off, and get them into the engine. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean this RTV off the cover and get the valve cover back on, and on to the next task.